So, we're quarantined. Nothing to do. Wait. I have an idea. Oh no, what are you thinking now? I can't handle your messes, I'm out. I have an idea. I'm going to make a barbecue. And all the stuff saying, I'm so bad at baking, I'm so bad at everything, I'm gonna prove them wrong. All done. I'm so gonna impress them. Oh my god. I honestly need a break. I've been working for so long. Wait, I should show my mom. Mom! Oh, it's hot again. What you want? I'm too busy for this. Rude. Anyways, check outside. I made a surprise. Let's go. I need my mask. I don't trust you. Oh my god! Top notch. Va.